Look at that. All right. So I'm just going to do a quick little video showing my purchase from Brandon Blackwood. He is a black fashion designer who makes high-end bags. And they're known to be of good quality. They have been on a few of your A-listers, popular through Instagram. And this is me supporting. So it comes like that. Ooh. Like that. I like that it's like neatly packed together. And let's see. Take that off. This is my first time opening the package, obviously. Yes! Look at my cute little bag! It's so cute! And then right there, ooh, it says Brandon Blackwood. So, as you saw, it's a little cute mini bag, baby blue. It opens up like so, and has the silicone packs. Okay, touch it in here. So that's different. I've never seen this in like a bag package. But look at this. It actually has a strap. That way you can make it longer. And I like the way it opens accordion style. This is the bag. Oh, let me latch it back. And I have this part to make it like a crossbody. So, I gotta look at the camera. So definitely shop Brandon Blackwood. All the information will be down below.